In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a website in Godaddy step by step. Whether you're redesigning your site, shutting down a project, or just want to start fresh, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it safely and correctly. Deleting or resetting your Godaddy website only takes a few minutes, but there are a couple of important things you need to know before you click that final button. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't accidentally lose something important. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Godaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or customer ID, along with your password, and complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your Godaddy dashboard where you can manage all your products and services. Next, go to My Products. You can usually find this option in the top right corner under your profile name. Click on My Products, and this will open a page that shows all the domains, hosting plans, and websites connected to your account. This is where you'll manage the website you want to delete. Now, locate the website you want to remove. Scroll through your list of products until you find the correct website. Once you see it, click on the Manage button next to that website. This will open the management panel for that specific site. Make sure you're selecting the correct website, especially if you have multiple sites in your account. After that, click on Edit Website. This will open the Godaddy Website Builder editor. Give it a few seconds to load completely. Inside the editor, you'll see your website layout along with editing tools and options. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. A drop-down or side panel will appear with several options. From that list, choose Site History. This section allows you to manage versions of your website and access reset options. Inside Site History, you'll see an option called Reset Website. This is the option that allows you to delete all of your current website content and start over from scratch. Before you click Reset, it's very important to understand that this action will remove your pages, images, text, and customizations. If there's anything you might need later, consider creating a backup first. You can duplicate content manually or save important files to your computer before proceeding. Once you're ready, click on the Reset Website option. Godaddy will usually ask you to confirm your decision. Confirm the reset, and your website content will be deleted. After the process completes, your site will be blank, and you can either rebuild it from scratch or leave it unpublished if you no longer want it active. And that's it. That's how you delete or reset a website in Godaddy. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but always make sure you double-check before confirming the reset so you don't lose important data. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.